tram only. Camping.
They close.
They put tram in there. Park closed beyond this point. Will reopen. You can see. This is golf.
Quarter mile. Turn right on US 27.
Golf and camping, but they are closed. Maybe for this one time. Look at the river. So this is the boat ramp.
Here, a lot
only.
of water.
Turn right on US 27. 1/2 mile. Turn right on US 27.
It's a huge parking lot. Slow down. Not this way.
Yeah, you can go there.
They're parking on that way. This is only for the one lunch. Don't go that way.
Yeah, like this only.
Only for
Let's
the
go
one
park and come back
launching.
here.
Launching the boat here.
Let's go park and go down.
Yeah.
You see how white trucks? No parking.
So this is only the boat launch only here. The state park is closed today. Look at this river. Huge.
Weather very nice.
Alhamdulillah. It's like you are moving here. Look at that. Kentucky.
Kaki.
Kentucky Fried Chicken?
You still have fried chicken. You wanna eat it with them? You wanna eat it with them?
There are houses on the top.